Salamat.
Hindi mo ginagalaw yung milk tea mo.
Wala akong appetite.
Okay ka lang ba? Nandito nga, pero parang ginagusting mo naman ako.
What? I'm not ghosting you.
Ba't di mo ko pinapansin?
Kasi I'm not happy with our relationship anymore.
Hindi ko gets. Explain mo nga bakit. Ano?
See that? Sabarang conversation at ang comprehension skills mo.
What?
You don't talk with sense. We're not on the same wavelength. Kaya nahihirapan na ako kakabuhat ng relationship natin.
Oh, well.
Yan. Yan ka. Tignan mo. Kapag meron akong ino-open up sa'yo na issue, wala, nagiging nonchalant ka and you don't express your emotions.
Alam mo, ayoko lang mag-overthink at mag-overreact.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi na mag-overthink at mag-overreact ka. Ang sinasabi ko lang, get involved para naman maging mentally stimulating yung conversation natin. Alam mo, nang dahil sa'yo, nagkakaroon na ako ng anxiety at trauma.
Yan ka na naman. Sige. Ginigil trip mo na naman ako by playing the victim card.
The audacity! How dare you gaslight my feelings?
Gaslight? Ginagaslight yung feelings mo. I feel you nga because I love you.
Then manifest it. Or else, I'm tired of this mediocrity.
Manifest. Hindi pa ba manifesting itong pagbigay ko dyan sa mga whims mo?
Ay, wow! Talagang piniflex mo pa talaga yung mga nabibigay mo sa akin.
Just say.
Oh my God, you're so typical. I want you to catch these hands!
Kung gumawa ng sin dito ang daming tao. Please. Please.
Yung pansinin yung boomer na yan. Doesn't understand us.
Excuse me. FYI, anong hindi ko naintindihan? Kanina ko pa naririnig ang argument niyong dalawang main characters kung bakit ang relationship niyo naging lackluster. Hindi pa tapos ang clapback ko. Alam kong dahilan kung bakit naging nonchalant itong boyfriend mo sa'yo. Kasi you're so salty at kulang ka sa glow up. It says... By the way, instead of fervor, no cap. I'm the OG, and I'm the GOAT. Greatest of all tanda. Happy? The waiter, bill out this.